There's no sense in worrying if things start going wrong. Arguing will get you nowhere fast. Oh, right. Okay, sorry. Anyway, I'm going to give you Edward's Branchline Trackmaster review. First off, we obviously need the owner of the Branchline. It's the new Trackmaster Edward. I think the real sad thing about this model is, well, the nicks in the wheels. And his blue doesn't match up with the Tomy one, aside from that, but, you know, it's a wickedly good-looking model. You know, and finally, I have it. I did get it from another YouTube user, but unfortunately, Texas weather likes to be a jerk and destroy the engines beyond comprehension. So, you know, new Edward, just a little bit of touching up on. Now, we have his good friend, Boko. I actually like it. There's only one thing about it that I did not like, and that is this back part right here. I filled that in with Sharpie, but you know, it's new, and they're gonna keep doing that for a while. But anyway, who I am here for, unfortunately, is neither one of these two. So, Boko, I'm sorry, you'll have to leave to make room for one of the engines that is supposed to be here. It's one of the Sword China Clay twins, Bill. Now, they've begun to reproduce him with his brother Ben, and they've started to steer away from the traditional ones. Ergo traditional, I mean the big plastic containers with the pegs, and the little cardboard boxes with the plastic. My case in point, this is the new packaging. You can completely see the engine, my bad, and what they come with. Now, let me pause it to do an opening session. Now, since I'm 18 and I am liable to be sued, I am making this large disclaimer. Kids, you need a parent to do this. I have a parent who's asleep in this room that I can't obviously keep yelling in, but I'm using a pocket knife and I'm being extremely careful to go and cut away from me. Now, sometimes the tape will like to be trouble, but you know, you have to go all around, and you must be extremely careful. Now, to continue this unboxing session, we are free of the horrible plastic. Now to show you the underside. Since we've cut away the tape, that's how they're keeping in their new Trackmasters, these new engines. Here I recommend a strong pair of sturdy scissors, none of which I have. Well, that's not good. It's never good to do this by yourself, and it's most never good to do it with the tool I'm about to use. Wire cutters. If you're going to be doing this, kids, I'm not kidding, get your parents to help you. Well, that didn't work. So let's cut this off. And now that Ben should be free, merely pull away the string. And pull away to pull out Ben and the truck to save the day. Okay, so let me clear up another space and I'll move on. So if you obviously can't tell, there's actually quite a great amount of differences between the two. And I think there was a definite production change, and that is with their faces. You see, Ben has Bill's face, and Bill has Ben's face. But aside from that, you can see what I did with my Trackmaster Bill with the white running plate, the black coupling, and the black windows in the back. And I also converted him. And since he's got the hole wheels, I'm going to have to find some of my old engines who have the non-hole front wheels, in order to make it good. But I mean, the cool thing is you get this cool, plain old, troublesome truck. So, that's basically it. And thanks for watching.